Hey, Saidu here. Now in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a local user on your Windows machine. We check the properties of that user and other user on the machine, and we'll be able to modify each user. Now with that being said, let's get started. First, this is my desktop. I'll go to control panel. Like this. If you don't have this icon, you can simply change it from large icons or category to smaller icons. Prefer this, by the way. So just select the user account from here and click on manage another account. Like right now, this is my administrative account. This is the only account on this machine, so you can even check that from here for those of you using Windows 10. So right now I'm only using one particular user on this machine. So click on this manage another account. So this is, like I said, this is the only account. Just click add a new user in PC settings. So we are here, so you just click on this plus button or add someone else to this PC and wait for it, and then this Microsoft account something will pop up. Just click I don't have this permission, I don't have this person's sign in information. Click it. So another Microsoft account will just pop up. So just add a user without Microsoft account. Click on this add a user without Microsoft account. So here you select the username for that particular user. So I'll be using user, let's say 2, and enter the password. Let's say I'll be entering 1, 2, 3. So this field is required. So let me just go ahead and select some random stuff. We said pet of put in Jack. The second question is city. Let's put in. And the third question is nickname. By the way, this is just a practice. So in case you are creating another user account, you should endeavor to put the right answers here. So I'll click next to continue. So right now user 2 has been created on this local it's a local account has been created on this machine. I have the username as user 2 and the account is local. So if I check my here, if I check here, you should be able to see user 2 pop up. So I'll be able to sign in using this user 2 without actually signing out of or shutting down this my administrative account. So but because I'm using screen recording to Camtasia here, but I cannot record from user 2 account. But I will just go ahead and I'm back here in my my local machine on the administrative account. I have logged in back to my administrator account. So if I check other account, you see that this user 2 is right over here. So I should be able to check the properties of this account. So I'll go to my C drive. Just go to your C drive and check users. Right now you see we have user 1. This is the other user I've created before, but this is the user that I just showed you how to create. So now if I right click on this newly created user, go to properties and then security tab, it shows you which user or group has full control over this particular user. Right now you can see this is the user, and S2, that which is the administrator, has full control over this user. So but the cool part is going to your control panel and then go to this administrative tools to your computer management. So if you check the local user and groups here, go to group users, and if you double click on this, then click on the member of tab, you see the user. This particular user is member of what user, meaning this is a local user account that has no administrative right. So we'll change that. Supposing you want to add administrative rights to this particular user, so you can do that by going to your control panel. You can either do that from there too. Go to control panel and then manage another account, select the particular account that you want to manage, then you can change the account type. Right now it is in the standard mode, so you can change it to administrator and then change account type. So this particular account now has the administrator or administrative privileges. So if you check back, say refresh, double click on this member of, you should be able to see the administrator here. So this is how to add administrative privileges or other privileges to a particular account. So if you want to select or you want to strip this account from having the administrative right, so you can select the administrators, then just remove, apply, and then okay. So right now this user has been back to where it was before. So if you check back right now, say let's go back, manage another account, come back here, select this, change account type. You see the account type has been changed to standard. So supposing you want to delete that particular account, you should just, to be easy, just click on your computer, management, go to your local user and groups, select the particular user that you want to delete and delete it from here. So it will show you these local user groups warning that each user account has unique identifier or that. So you can just click on yes, because I've already logged in as user 2 and it is currently running, so I will just click on delete. So that particular user has been deleted successfully from here. So if you go back to your control panel and you go back to your control panel, check your user account, manage another account. Right now it is only one user account here, so I have successfully deleted the other account. So that is how to create users on Windows computer. So if you do enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you do like content related to this operating system and all that, consider subscribing. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.